Okay. Now, tell me what is software? Why do we need a software? Everybody talking about software, right? So tell me what is the purpose of software? Can anyone tell me? Whatever you know, you can answer. Don't worry about it, that what is software. Just tell me what you understand about software as a basic guy. You may be a fresher, experience, doesn't matter. What is software? Can anyone tell me? See, software is basically used to build application. Software is used to build application. Build the application. Am I correct? Am I correct or no? Without a Java, without a .NET, without Python, can I build applications? Is it possible? Can I build application without .NET or Java? Unmute your guys, please. Please unmute.
No, sir.
Everybody, please request. Please unmute and talk. I want an interactive session. Please unmute yourself. Okay. So basically, software is used to build an application. What type of application I can build, sir? Let's see. In this laptop, I have a calculator application. Is it an application? Is calculator is an application or not?
Yes.
Is my calculator is an application? Am I right?
Yes.
In this application, where plus, minus, multiply, division, these are all rules. Adding two number is a rule. Subtracting two number is a rule. Multiplying two number is a rule. Dividing two number is a rule. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
Am I right? So combining all the four rules, I am building a single application so that I can perform all the rules or not. Without having these rules combined, can I create a calculator application? Is it possible or is it viable?
No.
Why? Why no? Think. Say I'm here to make you to understand while thinking. Okay. So think yourself. If I want to make a big calculation like crores of rupees or some calculation with crores numbers or million numbers, is it possible to do it in a notepad or is it possible in a notebook to do a calculation frequently? It is not possible. For that, what we are building? We are building a calculator application. Let's say an example, in your mobile also you will have a calculator. In your laptop also you are having a calculator. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Right.
Am I right?
Right. Right.
So the main reason of building application is combining all the rules together with the help of software. Am I right? So what is application? What is application? Application is built based on the rules. Agreed? Everybody agree with this point? Venkateswarlu?
Yes, sir.
Do you all agree with the point? Without having a rule, can I build application? Let's say an example, you are going to a ICICI bank or you are going to an HDFC bank. Are you submitting information to the bank and you are getting a message saying that account is created? Is it an application or is it a something they are not feeding into the application? Is it an application, right? Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
Let's take an example of Swiggy. How many of you interested to arrange food outside? Everybody, all right? So sitting in a home, you are ordering a food with the help of what? Swiggy app. Am I right? You are ordering a food with the help of Swiggy app. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right? So while ordering, your data is going to be stored in the Swiggy application database. Am I right?
Yes.
So for what purpose we are building application, Chari?
To simplify daily activities.
That is okay. Before simplifying, are they going to collect the data of yours?
Yeah.
Your phone number, your mail
Yes.
ID, your payment gateway information. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
See, you are ordering a food. Let's think in this way. There is a portal called Swiggy. Okay. And everybody having an app in the Swiggy. When you open, automatically it is showing the list of information before login. Is it possible? Not possible. What it will ask? It will ask you all the information like what is your name, where are you from, and what is your phone number, what is your mail ID, and there will be a OTP generation. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
All these things will required or not?
Required.
Required or not?
Required.
So they are collecting your individual information, storing in their database. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? See, whatever the data of Namrata, whatever the data of Divya, whatever the data of Gayatri, whatever the data of Rohini, what is the data of Rishi, all these information are available in the Swiggy portal. Am I right?
Right.
Right.
Am I correct or wrong?
Correct.
So, for what purpose people are building application? What purpose people are building application? Based on the understanding of my description, what is your understanding why they are building application? Why they need an application first of all? To maintain data. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Are they going to maintain a data or not?
Yes.
See, let's take an example of your accounts, bank accounts. Rohini may have 1 lakh rupee in her account. Anil may have 5 rupees in an account. Is it an individual data or a separate data? Is it an individual person data or different purpose? Or everybody having the same data?
Individual.
Individual data. Will the application of ICICI Bank holding that individual data, maintaining in their database or not? After 2 months, you are going for a 6 months bank statement. Where that statement is having in the application level, it is available or it is storing in the database?
Database.
Database. It is storing in the database. Am I right or wrong? So, first one is applications are used to maintain data. How many of you agree with this? First point is applications are used to maintain data. When I have a data, let's say an example of Aadhaar number. Okay, I have a PAN card number. Okay, I have a mobile number. I have a mobile number. Aadhaar number is a mandatorily should have 16 digit or not? Any Aadhaar number mandatorily have a 6-digit number or not? Say yes or no. Am I right or wrong? If a person who is entering only 17 numbers or person is entering 8 numbers and saying that it is my Aadhaar number, is it a valid Aadhaar number or invalid Aadhaar number?
Invalid.
Invalid Aadhaar number. For that, you need to build a rule on top of that Aadhaar number data, saying
Yes.
that Aadhaar number should have only 16 digits. Am I right or wrong? See, user is entering 8 characters, 8 values, but the required is 16. Do I need to implement a rule on top of the other? I need to implement a rule or not?
We should.
We should. That means when I'm building an application, I'm going to build based on the rule of the data, rule on top of the data. Is it correct? Where I'm going to apply a rule? Where I'm going to apply a rule, ma? Say yes or no. Where you are going to apply a rule? You are going to apply rule based on the data. Am I right or wrong? So the main purpose of building applications is, first purpose is maintaining of data. The second purpose is applying a rule on top of the data. Third purpose is, see, third purpose I will tell you. Let's take an example. You are in outside. You are somewhere else. Okay. I'm an organization. I'll coming to you giving a feedback form or any form to fill it. Will you fill it or will you throw away? You understand my concept? Can I repeat once again? Sailesh, Rohini.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm taking a
Yes.
.NET class. Am I right? I'm taking a .NET class. If I come to you personally and saying that giving a visiting card or someone, will you be interested to look into that course? You will not interested. Am I right? Because you don't know about me. Am I right?
Right.
Same way, I create a flyer, posted in an Insta or Facebook. I am marketing it. If you are interested, you will give your information to me. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
That means with the help of marketing of flyers in Facebook and Insta, I'm collecting your data. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I collecting your data or not?
Yes,
And what
correctly.
data I'm collecting? I'm collecting name and phone number. Am I right?
Yes.
With the help of WhatsApp application, that data, I'm creating a group or not? It is a data for me. For you, it is a personal number. For me, it is a data as a business owner. Am I right or wrong? As a business entity, am I collecting a data of different users, holding into my WhatsApp group so that whenever I post anything, it automatically go to all the users. Am I right? Think that way. Think yourself as a business user. You are running a business. You are running a business. When you are running a business, you need a customer data or not?
Yes.
Without a customer data, can you able to run a business? Say yes or no. Chari,
No.
Divya, Rajesh, Rishi, Shiva, Yogesh, Rohini, Priyanka Patil. Without you are running a business, for that you need a customer data or not? Come on, guys. Everybody is sleeping. Am I audible first of all?
Yes, yes. So data is required for running business.
Data is required for running business. That's an absolute answer. How are you going to collect the data? Second question. To run any business, you need data. I totally agree with you. How are you going to collect the data? That is another big chunk of information. Am I right?
Yes.
Is it easy that to collect the data from users, end users?
No.
Let's take an example, Chari. There are 10 people in the group apart from you. Am I right? It is easy to collect their information for you. You don't know them. You are unknown person. How you want to collect the data? For that, you need to build an application or not?
Yeah, application required.
Application is required. With that application, you are going to hold the data. Am I right?
Yes.
So if you don't have an application, is it possible for you to collect the data?
No.
Why?
Direct interaction, only possible is direct interaction, or else without direct interaction, we can't collect the data. Right?
So to collect data from the unknown person, we need an application. Am I right?
Yes.
To build application, such kind of things, we need to learn a technology, programming language. Do you all agree?
Yeah,
Yes.
agree.
You want to learn a programming language. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
That is the,
Sorry,
yeah.
but the aim of developing application is only the collecting data, not right.
Come again?
The aim of the learning programming application or software, the collect not only the collecting data, right? Means building the application.
If I'm not collecting data from, see, let's take an example. Your question is a very good question, actually. Let me give an example. Let's take a bank. Okay? Carry
Yeah.
on. Without net banking, can you able to transfer your amount from one person to another person?
No.
That means your data and your friend payee data will be stored in the application or not?
Yeah, it should be in
Are
the.
we collecting and maintaining the data?
Yes, we are collecting. Yeah.
Banking, forget. Okay, finish, close. Now coming to the Swiggy or Zomato portal, e-commerce application. When you log in, are you going to see a list of portals, right?
Yes.
Where the data comes from? In the Swiggy portal database or a different database? Where they are coming from?
Swiggy portal data.
Swiggy portal. Swiggy portal is going to maintain that portal information in their database or not?
Yes, they are going to save.
So they are collecting and maintaining the data. That is second point. Now coming to the insurance based. You are trying to create an insurance for your family members. Will the data of family members, expiry date of the insurance, everything will be maintained by the insurance company or not?
Yes, they will maintain.
They will maintain. That means your data is maintaining there or not?
Yes, they are.
Now tell me, without data, are they building any application?
No.
So end of the day, any
Hmm.
application you are building, that is for the data. You understand my point?
Yes, understand.
Now let's take an example, ChatGPT. A lot of other new AI tools are coming. Okay, you are searching for an information. Harry, unmute yourself. Feel free to talk. You have a very good questionnaires. I'm very happy. Okay, think in this way. In a ChatGPT, you want to get an information. Will that information is stored in the internet or somewhere outside?
Their own database.
Whatever it may be, wherever it is coming from, but still it is storing in somewhere, right?
Yes, yes.
So ChatGPT is also a part of application, right?
Yeah. It's
So
having
that
UI
means
interaction, so we can.
to build any application, data is mandatory.
Yes.
Mandatory.
Am I correct?
So
Everybody, Gayatri, Priyanka, Rohini, Rushi,
Yes, sir.
Sailesh, Yogesh, do you all understand what I'm coming from?
Yes.
yeah,
To build,
understood.
understood?
Yes.
So without data, you cannot able to move forward. Am I right? The main purpose of full stack development, be it to be .NET, be it to be Java, be it to be what I say, Python, whatever the technology, end of the day, we are maintaining data. For the purpose of data, we are using technology. How many of you agree with this point? How many of you agree with this point?
Yeah, I agree. But still, I have confusion. Like some static websites, like they don't require any information. So those are all also.
Static web. Let's take an example of ITAS technology website.
Yeah.
Okay. Why I am creating the ITAS technology website? User like you come and watch about my information. Am I right?
Yes.
Whether the information is a data or something else. The
Data.
information you are reading on a static pages, is it a data or not?
Finally, it is a data.
Finally, it is also a data, right?
Yes, yes, understood.
You see, world is revolving around data.
Agree.
Got my point?
Yeah.
You are booking a flight or you are booking a train ticket. Exactly this time, this seat number should be allocated to Chari. Is it going to store in a database or not?
Yeah, store in data.
For that, what is the application we are having? irctc.com. Come again? Bhagya, please unmute or mute. Are we maintaining data? Understand my point? See, irrespective of the technology you used, irrespective of the platform you used, anything and everything based on data. If you understand data and you will clear that for what purpose you are building applications. You all got the clarity for what purpose you are building application and what purpose the software is evolved in the market.
Now,
Say yes or
yes,
no?
yes, yes.
Now you all understand, right, why people are moving into technology. See, earlier in 2000, 1998 and 2010 and all, no government institution has an online forms. Why? Because they are not ready to maintain data or servers. Now they are also shifting into IT because they want to maintain each individual informations. That is why the Aadhaar card comes into picture. Clear my point?
Yes.
So now when you go for Aadhaar OTP, Aadhaar authentication, it is purely based on data or not?
Data only.
Data. Okay. So the world is revolving around data. To handle data, we need to build what? What we need to build?
Application.
Application. Now you all understand what is software, what is application, what is data. For the past 25 minutes, I'm talking about data. You all got the clarity? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Bhargav, Gayatri, Praniti, Priyanka, Rohini, Rushi, Sailesh, Yogesh, you all got the information that what is data? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
You all understand what is data, right? Now, to maintain data, we need to learn full stack. To maintain data, we need to learn fullstack.net. Understand? Fullstack.net. In this fullstack.net, the very first one is C#.net, which is a programming language. What is this? Programming language to build rules. Clear my point? Let's say an example of calculator adding two numbers. That addition is a rule or not? Will the addition is rule or not? That rule will be defined by programming language. Understand my point? And then once you build the rule, you need to display the rule data to the user or collect the data to the user. For that, you need to build user interface with the help of HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. You are going to learn this. Understand my point?
Yes.
Everybody clear? The third one is I have a UI, I have a C#.NET rule. Do I need to store data or maintain data? Do I need to store or maintain data or not? For that, you need to learn SQL Server. Understand?
Yes.
So this will help you to maintain data in the database. Maintain data in the database. Do you all agree with this point? Kari?
Yes.
Bhargav?
Yes.
Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, you are right.
Rohini? Sailesh? Yogesh? And then in .NET, we are going to learn ASP.NET MVC core. This is the one to build an application. To build an application. Without knowing these three fundamentals, you cannot build an enterprise-based application. Tomorrow, I will tell you what is application, what will be their architectural diagram. The next 4 days, I will teach you end-to-end how the data will store, how the user will make a request, everything I'll teach you. Don't worry. Okay, just to understand. Today is just an understanding class. And then, fifth point is, I build an application, but I want to expose my data to third party. Let's say an example, whether bank will access the Aadhaar details.
Yeah,
Yes or
it
no?
will. Yes.
Your banks are accessing your Aadhaar detail or not?
Yeah, it will access.
Aadhaar detail are separate or it is part of the bank?
Separate, it is UID.
Separate. So bank is accessing the Aadhaar information, right? It is a third party for them.
Yes, it is third party.
It is a third party. Or you got my point? For that, we can expose API for the data. Am I right?
Yes.
We can expose API for the data. I will tell you what is API, why we are exposing and all. Don't worry about it. Sixth point, to make your UI not scratchy, you need to learn Angular. Angular for single page application building. I'll tell you what is single page application. For that, you need to learn Angular. The seventh point is, I build a ASP.NET application, I build a Angular. Do I need to host this application in a live environment where everybody need to access? Yes or no?
Yes.
See, you build an application is ready in your local environment. You want to host that application, give the URL to others. Am I right? Then only the users can access and enter data. Am I right?
Yes.
So to do that, we need to know any one cloud technology. Understand? We need to know any one cloud technology. For that, we are going to learn Microsoft Azure. Everybody clear?
Yes.
See, I build a MVC core application, I build a API, I build an Angular. I want to deploy these 4 applications into a cloud, then only I can access data. Understand?
Yes.
Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Finally, sir, I want to automate my application to the cloud technology. For that, continuous integration, continuous deployment. for application to cloud. If you learn this 8 information as a full stack developer, you can survive for minimum 10 years. How many of you agree with this?
Yeah.
Namrata,
I
Anirudh?
agree.
Hmm?
I agree.
Agreed, right?
Yes.
How many of you agree with it? See, forget about your fresher, your experience, you are a non-techie guy, be with the different field. Forget about. If you learn this, this will help you to become a full stack .NET developer based on your experience. You can be a developer, you can be a solution architect, you can be a manager, you can be a technical architect as well. Understand my point? Based on the experience, you can become. And there is a lot of demand in full stack .NET. There is a huge demand in full stack .NET. I will give you an example. How many of you freshers here? Just say yes, that's it. How many of you are freshers here? I'll give you one scenario. How many of you are fresher? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, everybody.
How many of you are fresher here? Charit, are you a fresher?
No, sir. I'm working.
Gayatri,
No, I'm not fresher.
Priyanka Patil, Rohini, Sailesh? Nobody is answering here.
No pressure, not pressure. Having experience 8+.
8 plus. Okay. Okay. Yogesh?
No, I am also sure.
No, watched it. Okay. Already watched. Rohini, can you unmute yourself? Are you traveling? Okay. See, in nowadays, what the problem happened in industry is everybody in college teaching Java and Python. How many of you agree with this?
Yes, I agree.
Nobody aware of there is a one technology called .NET. And the students who are coming out, they are only preferring either Java or Python because they are aware only those two technologies. They doesn't aware of .NET. The problem with the industry is most of the applications are built in .NET. They are not getting a right candidate for .NET. Is it correct or wrong? Most of you are industry people, right? What my statement is correct or wrong?
It's correct.
So the freshers who are coming in, instead of learning Java and Python, because everybody learn Java and Python, better to learn .NET. There is a lot of demand. Am I right or wrong? You all seniors, you know, right? Charik, Gayatri, Priyanka, Sailesh, Yogesh.
Yes.
There is a demand in .NET or not?
Yeah. Yes.
So my
Very
suggestion is,
less call I am getting. Very less call I am getting right now, and they are asking like cloud services and automation. We
how many years?
are
How many years?
asking
Wait,
Python
wait,
also. 8
wait, wait,
plus, 8+.
wait. You are having 8+ years experience. Okay. Mm, did your resume is user friendly resume or keyword searchable resume, Sailesh, or a plain resume? Sailesh.
Uh, yeah, resume which consists of development plus support
I'm
and
asking
having basic.
ATS, your resume is an ATS friendly or not?
I have prepared by referring LinkedIn resume.
I'll tell you, LinkedIn, all are fakes. Only few are genuine. They are 20 days, 30 days after filling the requirement, they are adding into the LinkedIn. Understand my point? Most of the organization will post the requirement in Naukri. Okay. In Naukri, you need to buy a paid subscription. You should not go with the free subscription. If you take paid subscription, the companies who are searching for a profile can be shown you as a first priority. Your profile will be first priority. Earlier in 2015, 16, Naukri doesn't have a paid subscription. Nowadays, what happened? Naukri also started earning from the candidates. I'm sorry, it is recording. I don't know. Somebody would say it's a problem. Anyway, that I'm okay with that. I'm telling the genuine facts. I have a proofs also. The point here is in Naukri, you need to go for a paid subscription. When you go for a paid subscription, there are a different ways of writing a resume. Okay, you need to show the keyword in one side because nowadays in every organization they are having a ATS friendly applications. They are not reading the each and every individual resume. Based on the score, your resume will be prioritized. Understand, Sailesh?
Yes.
So you need to work. Definitely, you will get 8 years of experience, minimum 5 calls per week. There is a demand, there is an opportunity. Only thing is, your resume is not showing them as priority. If your resume is not showing as a priority, they won't pick you because their requirement is 20 people. You are in 100th place. Will they take first 20 or they'll come to the 100%? It is not possible. There will be a 200 people will apply for a single requirement. If the requirement fulfilled in 20 or 30, the 100% they don't need it. They don't even call you. You have to understand what industry expectation, how they are doing things or screening the profile. In most of the organization, they don't have a time so that they are built a ATS friendly automation for resume filtering as well. Keep that mind. Nobody knows that. 80 to 90% of the small companies, mid-sized companies, MNCs are having a ATS application quick of screening the profiles. Okay. If you are not maintain your resume according to their need, you won't get a single call. There is a demand, there is an opportunity. Unfortunately, you are not getting the call means connect me by tomorrow. I will tell you how to do it. If you do it, you will get a calls. Clear?
Okay.
Sailesh.
Yeah. Okay. Understood.
And before that, you once you get the call, you cannot attend the company for 3 to 4 months. Upgrade your skills, keep ready for at least 2 or 3 months, and then start searching for a job if you are inexperienced. Clear? Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
There is a demand, there is an opportunity, there is the way how to crack or how to make sure your profile will be selected is it is in your hand. It is not somebody else's hand. For that, you need to understand how industry is picking the profiles. Okay? If you are not understanding how the industry is picking the profiles, you can't able to get a job. They'll pick other candidate and they'll go away. They don't worry about Sailesh or Narendra or Rohini or Priyanka. It is a business. For them, a individual candidate, they have to fill for their business. If candidate they received with the proper profile, they'll move on. That's it. They won't worry
So,
about it.
sir, it is
Yeah.
possible to buy subscription of the paid version. We need to buy.
Come again.
So, sir, we need to buy the paid subscription of Naukri
It is 2,500 rupees for 3 months. You have to.
for 3 months, 2,500.
Yes. It is mandate. Okay. So that you will get a more calls. Okay. Before that, Anil, you only asked, right? The question.
Yes, sir. Yes, I am
Before
asking.
that, you have to make your resume according to the ATS friendly manner, and you have to keep ready and then try to go for a subscription. For that, what to do, I will teach you tomorrow. I'll tell
Okay,
you
sir.
how to whom to contact. There are a lot of resume writers are there. Talk to them. They will write a resume in LinkedIn and they will update your LinkedIn profile and everything. And they will write and give you the proper resumes. I will show you mine also, how they written and shown me. So tomorrow I can show you. It will be helpful for you. Clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Anybody have any questions? If not, we can wind off. We'll connect tomorrow. Anybody have any questions?
Sir, tomorrow at what time?
Same time, 8 o'clock. Every day, 8 to 9 session will be there. Monday to Sunday. No holiday.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
It is a 180-day session. Clear? Anybody have any questions? And again, I will
Yeah.
upload this video in my YouTube channel. I will share this in the groups so that you can go on recollect whatever we discussed so that it will be easy for you. Go and watch regularly on a daily basis. Around 11 o'clock, I will upload this and I will share it in the group. Because 10 o'clock, I have another batch. I'll complete that batch. I'll come back to you. Okay. Thank you all. Have a great day. Meet you tomorrow.
Hello, sir. I
Yeah,
have one
please.
Thank
doubt.
you, sir.
How many days the class duration like?
Can you call me Yogesh?
Okay.
You know my number, right? I will discuss. Anybody want to
Okay.
talk to me? You can call me my mobile.
Yes.
Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you.